crazy. Hey, Ace Key here. If you're new, welcome. If you're not, then you already know. Back with another video. It has been a little bit since I have recorded a video for you guys, but here I am. My birthday weekend is about to start, so I need to get all my stuff together, and I just been doing a lot. My hair looks crazy. These braids got old so fast, but you know, that's beside the point. That's neither here nor there. I decided that I was going to record some of my birthday shenanigans for you guys. I was really indecisive about it. I didn't know if I wanted to actually like record me doing stuff, or did I want to record like just at the end, everything together, my outfits, do a trial. I don't know. But I ended up going with, I decided I was going to style a wig with you guys, okay? I'm very tired. I am drained. So like if I seem a little off compared to usual, just know I'm just really tired, y'all. Like, I'm exhausted, but I literally have to get all this stuff done in the matter of 2 days. It's just been a lot going on. My room looks a mess, so if y'all see stuff everywhere, just know, like, I'm trying to get this done, okay? I'm trying to prep. I got this wig so long ago. This is what it looks like. I actually need to go ahead and cut the combs out. I personally don't like combs in my wig, so I cut them out. So let me go ahead and do that really quick. All the combs are out. I don't remember where I got this wig from, so if I can figure it out, I will let you guys know, but as right now, I don't know. So first of all, we are going to start with this wig head. I covered it with a plastic bag because I am going to dye this wig, y'all. I'm just dyeing it black. I've never done a black wig. I always just do it in its natural state. So I was like, you know what? I should do black. Like, I feel like it would just be cute, y'all. It would just hit on something. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I have that on there. I'm just gonna take some pins to just pin this. It don't really matter how you pin it for this part because you're just dyeing it. But usually I try to make sure that it's all pinned, all perfect and neat and stuff. But since we're just gonna be dyeing it, it really doesn't make a difference. Just make sure it's on here and not gonna fall off. And as you can see from the title, I am going to be dyeing it with Dollar Tree dye. I really don't know how this is going to turn out. I remember asking, I don't know if it was somebody that worked there or was she just there. I don't remember. She was just saying how it worked decent or it worked pretty good. So I was like, you know what, I can try it. And then like if it sucks, I can always just go buy some hair dye from the hair salon. But I was like, I mean, it's $1, why not? Let's try it. So it is called the Color Easy, and it's in the color 1 black. I really wanted to do a jet black, but this will work for now. I mean, I just want to try it and see what happens. I can always literally re-dye it. It's just a wig, so like, it ain't my hair, so we're okay. It comes with, I'm assuming these are gloves, the little instructions, and then these 2 little things. So we'll put the gloves on first. Let's look at these directions. Blah, blah, blah. Okay, here go directions. Okay. Wear enclosed plastic gloves, okay? Squeeze all the color cream into the developer bottle. Shake well completely. I mean, that's kind of obvious. I know some people just be doing stuff, but I don't always just do that because you just never know. You might mess stuff up, so we're going to do it correctly. I'm gonna take this off. It's not that much in there either. I don't know if you guys can see that. And so that's another reason I bought 2 just in case, but I'm hoping this goes well. I'm thinking the color just won't last as long. And over the top has like a little hole in there. For some of you guys who've never dyed, it should be relatively easy though. I'm just gonna squeeze this in here. Okay, so it looks like this in here. I'm gonna put the lid on. Shake it. Okay. So before starting, ensure hair is dry to take a done wash. Use the nozzle to part hair into sections. Apply the mixture throughout the hair to ensure evenly coloring. Use fingertips to massage hair shaft and smooth color out to the ends, making sure that they straighten is covered. Blah, blah. So leave it on for 30-45 minutes. If any mixture on skin, so wipe out moisture towel. For rest of within 30 minutes. Okay, so let me get a towel because I didn't get one for my floor because my mom will kill me. It's all mixed up. Basically, just apply it like I know. And you got a towel so I don't get beat. So I'm just gonna do that. So you just break off this little tip. Oh my gosh, it's coming off already. What the? Just gonna put this on here. I don't know, y'all. I feel like I should comb it and put it on. Something about this is weird. But I'm gonna just go ahead and fast forward this part and we're just gonna see what becomes of this wig. I have to run and get some more dye, so I'm just gonna let this sit. I'm in here sweating, y'all. It don't make no sense. But yeah, so I'm gonna go get some more dye and then I'm gonna go ahead and finish this up. So I definitely made a mess, but this is what she looking like right now. Excuse all my boxes, but she kind of stiff and whatnot. But you know, I think I got it all good. I don't see any dye on the lace anyway where the knots will be. And so yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and let this sit for I think 30 minutes. No, it said 30 to 45 minutes, so I might do 45 minutes, maybe 30 since I did let it sit because I had to run to the store. But we're gonna see. I'm gonna let it sit and then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna rinse it out and I'm gonna show you guys how it's looking. All right, bye. So it's been like a couple days. I don't even remember how many days it's been, but it's probably been like a day or two. But I look like a different person again. I got the claws done. Look at these. These cute, ain't they? Clickety clack clack. Let me try the other hand. Hold on. Purr. These cute. They super big, but they cute. And I got my little eyebrows done, you know what I'm saying? But anyways, anywho, that ain't even the point. That's not why we're here. I don't remember where I left off on. I think I was dyeing the hair. I had to get some more dye, something like that. Anyways, this is how it came out.
This how it came out.
Mama, don't talk in my video. Rude. Anyways, so this is how it came out. It's I mean, I think it took pretty well. If y'all want to try some Dollar Tree dye, I mean, you know, I say go for it. It's cheap. I had to use 3 boxes. I feel like I could have just bought the regular and not used as much, but you know, whatever, that's fine, is what it is. And I don't know how well it's gonna stay. And I don't like the process of putting it on. The process, it was like dry, and I don't like that. Like, it was just really, really dry. It didn't come on easy. Like, I don't know, I didn't like that part. This is why I record by myself. Anyways, back to the moral of the story of the purpose that we are here. We're gonna see how long it stay on. If it fades fast, we'll see. So I got a little bit of dye right here and right here, but you really can't even see it when it's flipped over. I was a little nervous about that because clearly I wasn't as careful as I thought. But I just tinted my lace. If you guys watch my other video, it's more in detail. Y'all can see all that stuff. But I am just letting it dry. I think it might be dry now. It feels dry. Is it dry? This looks like it's on my hand. No. We're gonna flip it over. We're gonna flip sis over. So she looking real nice, real healthy. And we about to just pin her down. Just gonna do her a little pluck. I really should have cut it out for my low hairline, but we'll get to that part. I already have a detailed video on this. If y'all, I'll put that in the link below or something. So I'm gonna go ahead and speed this part up. Coming in and doing a voiceover because it's about to switch over to a clip that I did not get to do an intro to because my phone was dead this day. So I went ahead and already applied my wig and did my makeup. I'm gonna have a video link below that I already have uploaded here on YouTube of me doing the whole process more in depth. So I'm just cutting off the excess lace. And y'all, look how melted it is. I can't even talk, but it's so melted in, y'all. Like, I'm so proud of myself. And y'all, I was a little bit tipsy, a little under the influence. So I'm like really, really proud. And like, I just love watching myself work because I came so far, y'all. Like, it really takes practice to get like where you're trying to go. And I'm only gonna get better. So I'm just so proud of myself. And now I'm just gluing down my little ear tabs. Say hey to my sis Camille. This is my LS. She came in to pop up and say hey. Okay, so now I'm just brushing it all out. You know, it's so late. Showing y'all my hot comb. I'm going to turn it all the way up to 500. And I am just going to part it down the middle and go ahead put some Lotta Body foam on there. You really can use any kind of mousse you want, but right now I'm using Lotta Body. And I'm going to take that down and I'm going flat on it. And then I'm going to take my Care wax stick as well. And I'm going to put that down to tame the flyaways and then continue to hot comb it. Y'all, look how good this wig looks. I am so proud. Who is calling me while I'm doing a voiceover? Rude. Okay, so now I am just parting out some bangs because y'all, I've been wanting to do this wispy bang look. Easy Breezy does these wispy bangs and I just think they're so cute and I've been wanting to try them for so long. So I was like, you know what? Today's the day. So I'm parting them out and I'm going to take my razor comb and just cut them off. And remind you, you want to start long because you can always go short, but if you go too short, baby, you cannot make them longer, okay? So you're just going to continue cut up and up and up till you get where you want. I'm going to also take my flat iron and I'm going to bump it a little bit eventually so I can start to see how it's going to lay, how it's going to form. And then it really wasn't working, so eventually I had to get some scissors and just cut it off because, y'all, the razor was a little bit a struggle for me. I don't know what was going on, but yeah, I just took some scissors and continued to cut it off after a while. And then I'm talking faster than the video, okay? And then I'm just gonna comb it all out. I'm gonna take my flat iron and continue to straighten my hair a little bit. I think I tried to frame my face. It really wasn't doing nothing. Like, I'm looking at it and where is the frame, sis? But you know, whatever. So I'm going to continue to touch it up and whatnot and stuff like that. Y'all, I really love this. Like, it was so cute on me. It came out way, way, way better than I expected. And so I'm just going to, like I said, continue to touch it up. I really, really, really hope that you guys like this video. It was kind of all over the place a little bit to me. But I think I should do more like these. You know what I'm saying? Like, it was just, this was it, baby. This was a look, honey. Like, I did that, okay? I really, really did. But anywho, like I said, I hope y'all like this video. I'm going to try to bring more to you guys. Make sure you like, you subscribe, you comment, all that stuff. You know, share it to your homies. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.